Hi, I'm Mike Zima. I'm an SEO and digital marketing expert, and I'm also an expat in Majorca, Spain. Today, I'm going to be talking about, do you need SEO and Google Ads to work in conjunction with each other? Yes, you do, and I'll tell you a strategy that we use that you can actually borrow from and utilize today for your ads campaign. Advertising can be very, very tricky because in a lot of ways, it's money out the door that you're paying these platforms to bring you clicks to your website. It's a fair exchange, but if you're not very critical and you don't have an unlimited budget, this could drain your marketing reserves and effectively leave you with no business results. So how are you going to drive business results to your website? Well, it's going to be with direct marketing and SEO. And I'll give you an example of direct marketing and how you can utilize that. SEO allows you to target people that are searching on Google every single day for products and services like your business offers now. The way you can capitalize on this traffic is actually by the types of content that includes the keywords that people are searching for, that Google deems worthy and authoritative and trustworthy, that they'll recommend to users on Google to go to your site because they know they're going to have an outstanding experience come back to Google. Because if people can't find anything on Google would be out of business, right? So that's really important. So one of the strategies that we would use is we would build landing pages of content that answers this page specifically. Building very dense and concise piece of content that solves a user's intent, it solves a problem. When you have a problem, the first thing you do, you go to Google to get the solution. And with this piece of content, you're actually drawing in qualified clicks to your site, and this is free traffic from Google. It doesn't cost you anything on the advertising, otherwise you would have money out the door. So this is why it's important to save money on Google to have them come to your website. So on the back end, what are you doing here? Well, if you have proper conversion tracking set up, you're going to be capturing these leads into your Facebook pixel, your LinkedIn pixel, your Google Ads pixel, and these are all going to be saved in custom audiences that you can remarket to later, because effectively you're bringing in qualified traffic to your website, and then you're going to market to them directly at a discount, because their marketing can be a little bit cheaper in a lot of ways. It could also be more effective because people are more familiar with your brand. So that's one of the many strategies in how you can utilize Google Ads and SEO together. And that's really one of my favorite strategies because you're drawing in clicks to your website. You're working a lot of time. Direct marketing really does work, but you have to use your website as a catalyst. So if you're doing any kind of direct marketing, are you doing any kind of retargeting, please let me know in the comments and I'd like to hear more.